Do you know that when we talk about management, it doesn't have to be within the four walls of a school? In managing humans or livestock, which includes cattle, there are some ways in which we must care for them, known as the management of cattle. The management of cattle are grouped into three, namely breeding to calving, birth of calf to weaning, and weaning to finishing. Let's look at the first one, breeding to calving. In breeding to calving, bulls and heifers must be at least 24 months old before they are bred. The cows and heifers should be properly fed with grasses and legumes. The other one, which includes birth of calf to weaning, means during the parturition, meaning giving birth. The cord from the navel breaks on its own. Iodine solution should be applied to the navel stump to prevent infection. Importantly, the animal should be helped to suck milk from its mother's udder. The last one, which is also the third in weaning to finishing. In weaning to finishing, the weaned calf is fed with concentrates and roughage. The dehorning and disboarding is performed for easy handling of the cattle when they grow up. Remember that management of cattle are grouped into three, and the farmer can either use breeding to calving, birth of calf to weaning, or weaning to finishing. See you next time. Bye.